Hello my dear kids, welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English grammar of class 3 by Coral Publishers, and here's a book, Focus English Grammar. Children, today we are going to start with chapter number 9 and the name of the chapter is Simple Present Tense. So yes, we are going to learn about tenses in this chapter. So tenses are different verb forms. ये verb forms तो हैं लेकिन different verb form हैं. Tenses of a verb tell us the time when the action takes place. ये जो tense है ये क्या बताते हैं? ये हमें time बताते हैं कि काम कब हो रहा है. There are three kinds of tenses in English. English में तीन तरीके के tenses हैं, present, past and future tense. ये तीन tenses हैं. In this chapter we will learn about present tense. इस chapter में हम present tense के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. We use simple present tense to talk about things that always happen, usually happen, often happen and sometimes happen. So simple present tense हम इन सारे cases में use करते हैं. Now let's read the following sentences given below. यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, उनको पढ़ते हैं. First one is I play tennis. मैं टेनिस खेलता हूँ. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Play. Play हमारा verb है. The sun rises in the east. Sun ईस्ट से निकलता है. The postman delivers letter. Postman letter को deliver करता है. Birds fly in the sky. Birds आसमान में उड़ती हैं. So the words play, rises, delivers and fly, these all are verbs. ये सारे verbs हैं. These verbs are in the different simple present tense form. ये सब जो है simple present tense form में है. Now let's learn the rule of simple present tense. So here singular number means he, she, it, has, where s is added to the root form. जब कोई भी singular number हो जैसे he, she, it, इन सब के साथ हम verb में s लगा देते हैं. With plural number I, we, you, they and children, इन सब के साथ हम verb में क्या करते हैं? s को नहीं लगाते हैं. It is not added to the root form of the verb. So this is the rule that we have to follow. Now let's quickly move on to the book exercise. A exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the box. Box में से हमें correct verb को choose करना है and then we have to fill it here. So grapes dash on vines. So grapes grow. कितने grapes हैं? बहुत सारे grapes हैं, इसलिए हमने grow लिखा है, s नहीं लगाया. Stars dash at night. Stars, बहुत सारे stars हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे भी s नहीं लगाएंगे verb में. So stars shine at night. We dash lunch in the afternoon. So we eat lunch in the afternoon. हम lunch खाते हैं afternoon में. We means बहुत सारे, इसलिए हमने eat के साथ s नहीं लगाया. But the fourth one, the sun dash in the east. Sun rises लिखा है. So यहाँ पे हमने rise के साथ s लगाया है. क्यों? क्योंकि sun singular है. So rest of the questions are your homework, children. Do it yourself. Now let's quickly move on to the B exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct action words from the bracket. हमें क्या करना है? Blanks को fill करना है incorrect action words से. So they dash together every day. They means बहुत सारे लोग. तो जब बहुत सारी चीजें हों तो हमें s नहीं लगाना है. So हम लिखेंगे they walk together every day. Hira dash to eat chocolates. हीरा एक बच्चा है तो हम लिख देंगे likes. I dash in my music class. I के साथ हम लगाते हैं sing. s नहीं लगाना. Crows dash in the sky. बहुत सारे crow हैं इसलिए हम लिखेंगे fly. Clear children? So these are the answers. Similarly, you have to do the rest yourself. And with this, we have completed the chapter. I hope you enjoyed learning it. I will be meeting you soon, children, with a new video. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.